Today we are going to introduce the tail light assembly of the Nilight. This tail light assembly fit for 2003 to 2007 Chevy Silverado. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. The instruction manual includes operation steps and precautions. When installing, please use gloves to reduce fingerprint marks on the tail light mirror surface. This helps maintain the mirror's clarity and cleanliness. Includes tail light assembly on driver side and passenger side. Equipped with LED bulbs for improved brightness. The tail light comes with built-in wiring harness and buckles, making installation quick and easy. Simply just plug and play.